Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn if and case statements. So let's start the video. Let's begin with if and case. If and case. These are two different things. First one is if, the next one is case. So let's start with the if one. So what is if? Some of you might be familiar with programming, must be knowing about conditionals. That is if and else. Okay, if else. But if you are not familiar with conditionals, don't worry, I'll tell you. See, what are first of all if and else? See, if we try to understand it in a very layman's language, in a very basic tone, then it would be अगर ये होता तो ये, अगर ये होता तो ये, नहीं तो ये. एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. मान लो अगर मैं ठीक होता तो आज मैं बाहर जाता, अगर नहीं होता तो नहीं जाता. ठीक है, तो ये क्या हुआ? इफ एंड एल्स. ओके, अगर मैं ठीक होता तो मैं बाहर जाता, नहीं तो नहीं जाता. ठीक है, तो अब यहां पे आपके पास दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है ना. अगर आप ठीक होते तो आप जाते, अब आप नहीं हो तो आप नहीं जाओगे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज बेसिकली इफ एंड एल्स. नाउ let's come over to the original topic. Here we would be considering if thing. Okay, so first of all, what is the use of if? I told you. Now let's come over to the type of syntax part. So it is written as if, then there are, first one is condition, next one is outcome when it is true, outcome when the condition is true. Okay, this one would be obviously outcome when condition is false. Okay, so now condition, by condition we mean that, let's suppose if we consider for age, if age is greater than 18, then if it is true, then this one would get executed. If it is not true, then this one would get executed. Okay, let's come over to the demo part. I'll quickly switch on my workbench. Okay, enter the password. Okay, so this was the table which we used in the previous video. We'll copy this table only quickly. Drop now. Use DB, this is fine. I don't want this to get executed now. Just execute these statements. Okay, so these have been executed. We'll refresh the schema. Select star from students. Okay, so this is the basic table. Now let's suppose you want to categorize them, right? So say for we take an example of 30 as the barrier, and let's suppose we say that if the age is less than equal to 30, then we'll consider them to be young. Okay, otherwise old. And apart from this, we need to print this also. We can print this also. See how we'll do it. So select, now from students will go down. So what all columns do you need to select? Select ID, then you want name, then you want age. Okay, then you write if Then what would be my first condition? If age is less than equal to 30, then what would be my first condition? Print young, otherwise print old, as, so what we need to put it, we can say as category. Okay, no, sorry, this won't be applied. From students, then is it giving error if is not valid in this position? Yeah, fine. See, as I told you, we made a new column to print that who is old and who is young. See, Shahid, whose age was 23, is young because he lies in the criteria that age is less than equal to 30. Sid, whose age is 24, lies in the criteria age less than equal to 30. So again, he is young. Akshay, whose age is 34, does not lie in the criteria where condition is age less than equal to 30, so he is considered to be old. So this is the basic functionality of if function. Let's take another example. Say for what can we take? Say for we consider it to be 25. Okay, let's consider this to be 35, and we'll say that if it age is less than equal to 35, he is fit, otherwise unfit. Go on. See, now Shahid, whose age was already less than 30, would be less than 35 also, so he is considered to be fit. Sid, whose age was less than 30, would also be less than 35, so again he is considered to be fit. But Akshay, whose age was 34, would now be considered to be fit because his age is less than 35. So this was another example of if condition. Now let's come over to the case statement. Okay, next thing is case. So what does this case means and what is the purpose of case first of all? See, here we actually made only two categories that okay, either he is young or he is old. But what if we wanted to categorize them into few other categories? Like let's suppose if we say that if age is from 0 to 2, we want him to be infant. If age is somewhat in the range of say 3 to 12, we want to consider him to be a child. Another, I'll erase it, just a sec. Okay, now another categorize, we want to say that, say for in the range of 13 to 18, we'll consider him to be teen. After 18, we want to make one more category. Say for he's in the range of 18 to 60, then he's an adult. Okay, and after that, we want to make one more category. Say for if he's more than 60, greater than 60, we want to say that he is or she is senior citizen. Okay, so these are the five categories. First one is this, second one is this, third one is this, and fourth one is this, and fifth category is this. Okay, and in case there is one more thing that is known as else. Now what is else? It means that what if the age does not satisfy any of the condition. Now what would be the example? Say for if we say that age was -1, we practically know that this was not possible, but let's suppose there was an entry whose age was -1, then it won't satisfy the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, so it will automatically come over to the else part. Okay, now come over to its demo part. Say for that, let's do one thing. We'll insert one more guy. His age was -1. Let's execute this query. Okay, we have inserted this one. We can check it. No issues. I'll select star from students. See, we have inserted the one with the age -1. Now let's remove it. Okay, now we wanted this to be, say, for, we'll zoom it a bit, go down. Come on. Um, Leave it. Make a different file only. Paste it. Okay, select name, age. Let the next condition remove this. Yes. Now write case. Okay. Case, in case, make brackets where we'll write when. Now we need to make certain condition when age is greater than equal to 0, and we can use an AND operator, and age is less than equal to 2. Then what do we need to write? We can say him as infant. Okay, we'll copy this. When we had made 5 categories, so this was 2. Let's consider it to be 3 to 12 as a child, then teen, then adult, and then it was a senior citizen. 3 to 12, after that 13 to 18, after that, say, for we go for 19 to 60 only, then it would be age greater than 60, and there won't be any and over here because there is no limiting factor. Then okay, close it, and before this there would be an else condition also. Else we can write age is invalid, and again we need to give an alias as what would be the name. Again we can write it to be category. So this is fine. This is giving some error. Let's see. When is not valid at this position, expecting for. Okay, so pause, continue. Okay, so what error it is showing, I guess. Yeah, first thing we missed is end. Okay, it is showing error again. When is not valid at this position, excepting for log selectable. Okay, I guess this bracket is causing some issues there. Yes, now it is fine. Before that, we'll do one more thing. We'll add certain ages in the range. Where is the file? We'll add some more ages so that we can categorize it properly. Okay, we have not. Just a sec. 7. We'll put Rohit with an age of 1. Then we'll put, say, with the name boys, and let the age be 7. Then another entry whose name be, say, Healy. I'm actually out of names at this point of time, so no worries. 15. Then for senior citizen thing, we can put 10. and then we can put couple ages, let's suppose 65. Done. Execute this query. Let's see. Select star from students. So this is our original table, and let's see what changes we see after executing this query. See, original table, and Shahid adult, Sid adult, Akshay adult, Amir adult, Ritik adult. See, age is invalid, Rohit infant, Boyas child, Healy teen, and Kapil senior citizen. Okay, so this was the purpose of the case clause. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you like this one. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.